Well, namaste, namaskar, namaskara, swagatam, suswagatam, kasakai, kimcho, radhe radhe, joy jagannath. This is your Sutradhar Tista. I welcome each and everyone, to all the dignitaries, to all the official here on a very, very special day, because here we are to grow together, to learn together, to get whatever information that we get from each and everyone who will be delivering some tremendous and some amazing speech. So we will capture and gather all the information that we can today here. So I guess everyone is ready on their tip and toes. So before we start, I know everyone is here from far distance, somewhere maybe here and there. So before we start off, I just want to ensure that everyone's attention is here at this confluence. So before I officially start and welcome each and everyone here at NASSCOM Technology Conference 2025 Kolkata, can I have a round of applause for yourself for being a part of it? জোরে হাততালি হতে পারে? ওকে, তার মানে আমি এটা কেন বললাম, এইটাই বোঝানোর জন্য যে বা দেখার জন্য যে আপনাদের সবার অ্যাটেনশনটা এখানে রয়েছে কিনা। সো আই থিঙ্ক হিন্দি, ইংলিশ, বেঙ্গলি ইন তিনো মে আই থিঙ্ক এভরিওয়ান উইল বি কমফর্টেবল ইন, সো আই উইল স্টিক in this three language only. So ladies and gentlemen, I am an outsider, but it is very important and crucial to start off with this very amazing day with an official warm welcome to all the dignitaries and officials here. And to do the same, I will take the privilege of calling upon the Regional Director of Telangana, Andhra Pradesh and East of NASSCOM, Mr. Raghu Kumar sir, to please come up on stage to do the formal welcome to each and everyone present here. Sir, a very warm welcome to you as well, to Kolkata. So much, sir, for your warm welcome to all the delegates here. And now we move forward, and as sir has rightly stated, that we will be actually in a zone of enlightenment, we will be in a zone of many insights, because today here, ladies and gentlemen, we have the presence of who's and who's of the various industries over here, and we will be slowly revealing who all are present here today. But today, as we start off with this day, we will have one more very eminent personality here who will be starting off with the keynote address and will be enlightening us. The topic that she will be covering is from efficiency to impact, driving value in complex organization. And to deliver this keynote address, I will take the honor of calling upon Ma'am Mamta Madireddy ma'am, MD and Head HSBC India GSC. So I will request ma'am to please come on stage to deliver the keynote address. Can we have a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, everyone. Thank you so much, ma'am. Again, a very warm welcome here, and we are looking forward for your keynote address. The stage is all yours. It was absolutely our pleasure hearing from you, but I will request you to please stay back. And with that, I will request one more dignitary here on stage, Vice President and Head Membership and Outreach NASSCOM, Mr. Srikant Srinivasan sir, to please come up here on stage and felicitate ma'am. So we will have the first picture perfect moment of the day. Ma'am, it was wonderful hearing from you, and it's just a token of love, token of appreciation from NASSCOM, and what a wonderful frame. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much, sir. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we now move forward with a very, very, very special, very important segment. And to start, to take over, and we are, I think everyone present here are very much keen on hearing what he has to share, what his views are, and what he has to actually share with everyone over here. He's a visionary, and it is absolutely my honor that I am here being able to share the same stage, and I'm able to call him here on stage. Our guest of honor, ladies and gentlemen, we are truly overwhelmed and delighted with the presence of Sri Shubharanjan Das, IAS, Secretary, Department of IT and E-Government of West Bengal, here being the guest of honor. I will request sir to please come up on stage, as we are all very, very keen to hear a few wise words from you. At Hattalite koto percent GST? I request each and everyone to welcome him wholeheartedly, and a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Can we have a huge round of applause? Yes. So, few wise words from you. Thank you so much, sir. Sir, I will request you to please stay on stage and take the center of the stage. I will request Chairman and Managing Director of Infinity Group, Mr. R. Chamaria, sir, to please come up on stage, requesting Mr. Raghu Kumar, sir, to please join hands, and requesting Mr. Arnab Chakraborty to please come up on stage and felicitate our guest of honor. I will request to take the center stage, please. And we are absolutely, with all the facts and the figures that sir has shared with us, and there is always, and it is a very old notion that we have heard, the people from Bengal have heard it already, that what Bengal thinks today, India thinks tomorrow. And as sir has stated that X is the number of possibilities that we have. So with that, one more picture perfect moment, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much to all the dignitaries for commencing the felicitation ceremony. Now, moving forward with the very first panel discussion. যতক্ষণে আমি সবাইকে ইনভাইট করছি, to request করব stage to set to get ready so that we can start off with a panel discussion. Now, ladies and gentlemen, it's very important that apart from the theoretical knowledge, we move on with the practicality of it as well. So the first panel discussion that we will be exploring will be reimagining marketing in the age of AI and data intelligence. So this is the topic, and the speakers of this particular topic, I will take the honor of inviting all the speakers here on stage, and I will request, but before that, we will set the table with the name tag, and all the speakers to sit along with the name tag in front of them. So name tags to be settled down before I invite all the speakers here. Again, tuto table please. And as I was saying, AI, we all know, artificial intelligence is everywhere. Like everywhere means everywhere, and better than me, I think everyone present here is well versed with AI. But how can we utilize it in the marketing front? So that will be a topic of discussion today. And for yes, as we have the name tags here, so now I will take the honor of inviting our speakers one by one. So we will have Mr. Deepankar Mukherjee, Marketing Head of M Junction, here on stage. I will request you to please find your name tag and be seated accordingly. The next speaker of this particular topic will be Mr. Arnab Chakraborty, co-founder of Asmaka Ventures, to please come up on stage. Sir, also requesting you to please find your name tag before you are seated. Sir, yes, the pictures are there, so you have to just sit in front of it so that we get good pictures. And yes, and last but not the least, Mr. Rosh Ferreira, Global Vice President and Head of Corporate Marketing, Virtusha Corporation. So we have the three dignitaries here. Thank you so very much, sir. Indeed, it was a very crucial topic that should be highlighted on. I will request Mr. Sharon Bandwadhai, sir, manager of NASCOM, to please come up on stage and felicitate our dignitaries here for presenting a wonderful panel discussion here. I will request three of the dignitaries to please come close and we take the middle of the stage so that we can have a tighter and a fuller frame at once. So, yes, ladies and gentlemen, as we all know, it is a very debatable topic where will AI replace human touch and all, and how wonderfully it has been summarized by all the three dignitaries here. And thank you. So I will request you to please stay so that we can have a full frame here. Yes, full frame, one full frame with all the four dignitaries right here on stage. yes, as we have promised to each and everyone present here that today it will be a day full of knowledge, full of new POVs, and let's dive into the next panel discussion that we will be having. And I will thank our dignitaries for presenting the first panel discussion. Thank you, Shanshas, for the felicitation ceremony. Now moving forward with the next panel discussion that we have is technology as a catalyst for financial inclusions and capital markets. We are all well aware and versed that how technology has invaded the financial market. We are using apps, and nowadays we are really the verge of not carrying cash. So if anyone is asking for 2000 rupees cash, we generally do not carry it because धनिया पत्ता अगर हम लोग खरीदने जाते हैं तो भी हम लोग पूरा टेक्नोलॉजी का ही यूज करते हैं. So let's see कि how technology as a catalyst for financial inclusion and capital market is very crucial for this talk of the town. And for the particular panel discussion, you can already see the speakers here. So let me take the honor of inviting one by one. So requesting Mr. Anup Agarwal, sir, South Asia FinTech Lead IFC, sir, to please come up on stage. And I will request to take your seat right in front of your picture. Requesting Mr. Gaurav Jalan, sir, founder and CEO of M-Pocket, to please come up on stage for this particular panel discussion. Requesting Mr. Ratan Kumar Kesh, Executive Director of Bandhan Bank, to please join the panelists right here. Last but not the least, requesting Mr. Rajat Bhattacharya, co-founder of Data Sutra, to please come up on stage for having an amazing talk on this very particular topic. So, sir, do you have a mic? Yes. So, should I now leave the panel discussion to all the dignitaries here? Yes? Yes. Thank you. Perfect. Come forward so that we can have a picture perfect frame. And in the meanwhile, I will request on stage Mr. Ashwini Raut, sir, founder of Batoy System and member of NASCOM East Regional Council, to please come up and felicitate all of the speakers for this particular panel discussion. And in the meanwhile, we will capture the first frame with only the speakers, and next after the felicitation ceremony. Now, ladies and gentlemen, as we slowly and steadily move on to the third panel discussion, we have already discussed how AI, how advancement of software and technologies has slowly crept into the financial segment. I cannot imagine how I used to do all the transaction before all this system actually hit in. It is right now unbelievable. I can now relate to the Gen Zs, which is for them something are very much ये कैसे होता है इटा किकोड़ो ही हो तो. So yes, I can relate to that as well. But now it's not only the financial sector that has been covered with the software, the technologies, with the advancement, but also the healthcare industry. But before I reveal the next topic of discussion, the panel discussion about the healthcare industry, we will have this picture perfect moment here. Thank you to all the speakers. Thank you, sir, for doing the felicitation ceremony here. And now we move on to the next panel discussion, which is affordable healthcare, last mile with AI enablement. And now we will have our three fantastic speakers. First and foremost, I will request Mr. Ranabir Bhattacharya, Chief Strategy Officer, Disha Eye Hospital, to please come up on stage. Requesting Mr. Arindam Bhattacharya, Founder, Softmed Technologies, to please take your seat here on stage. Requesting Dr. Vaishali Sinha, Bioprocess Commercial Head, South Asia, Citibank, to please come up on stage. And oh, she's already here. So, Fast and the Furious. And now I leave the session entirely to you. So, thank you.
So let us all get to work, and thank you for your time, and thanks for being a patient rat.
Thank you so much, everyone. I will request all the three dignitaries to please come up on in the middle of the stage so that we can have a picture perfect moment here. And with that note, I will request Mr. Nirupam Chaudhary, sir, Director of NASCOM, to please come forward and felicitate the three speakers of this particular panel discussion. So, what caught my ears was many patients, right? We do, I think everyone has done this crime once in our lifetime, that we have Googled that we are having this symptom. What is this? That is I am having. So there's nothing we have not done yet, but yes, slowly and steadily, I think we will not be called Google patients anymore. We will now be called AI patients, like ChatGPT patients. So a picture perfect moment with all the speakers along with the dignitary director of NASSCOM here. Thank you so much to all the speakers and sir for doing the honors. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I want everyone's full-on attention, because what we are going to witness over here is a very, very interesting session. But as I have already asked, I need full-on attention here. The attention के लिए हम लोग थोड़ा सा fresh हो जाएंगे. So we will take a 10-minute break. The tea counter is there. The washroom for the gents is there. The ladies is outside. So 10 minutes break, ladies and gentlemen. Post that, a very interesting live session right here on stage. I guess you will not miss that. So 10 minutes break, tea break for all of you. Thank you so much.
It's a breeze for your business.
With this next very interesting session, as you can see, this will be tech in action. मतलब live action, और हम लोग टेक्नोलॉजी एक्चुअली रियल वर्ल्ड में कैसे यूज कर सकते हैं, क्या यूज है, क्या है ये चीज, सभी कुछ we will be getting used to, getting versed to. But for this particular tech in action, I will request the co-founder of Rosatech, Mr. Rohit Anand and Mr. Sakit Anand, to please come up on stage and actually take us through what is this buzz all about. So, and I will request Mr. Raghu Kumar sir to please come up and felicitate Rohit Anand. I know we are a little lag of time and short of time, so what we will do is, if you have any question, doubt, query, you can do a one-to-one conversation with Rohit Anand here. He will be, I think, more than happy to help and guide you with your questions and solving your queries. As of now, a picture perfect moment. Thank you so much, Rohit, for your excellent presentation, and thank you, sir, for the felicitation. Now, we will require 5 minutes of time so that we can actually change the setup. 5 minutes क्या करेंगे? कुछ तो करेंगे ना? So what we will do is, I have few gifts. So now, आप लोगों को हाथ उठाना है, একটা ছেলে আমার লাগবে যে মাইকটা নিয়ে যাবে, বা পিছন থেকে যদি কেউ আমাকে একটু হেল্প করে মাইক, একটা মাইক অডিয়েন্সকে পাস হবে. In this quiz segment right now, if we do have time in future, we will definitely come back with few more quiz questions. Now, quickly moving on to the next panel discussion, and the topic will be displayed here on the screen: reimagining business models in the era of intelligent progress. And the speakers for the following panel discussion will be Mr. Sajid Hussain, Global Delivery Head, Supply Chain and Center Head, Kolkata Cognizant. Sir, I will request you to please take the seat right in front of your photo. Requesting Mr. Jaspreet Singh, Chief Revenue Officer, Grant Thornton, Bharat, to please come up on stage and take your seat. Requesting Mr. Sanjay Banka, CFO, Senco Gold and Diamonds, to please come up on stage and take your seat here. And last but not the least, Kavita Doshi, Ma'am, Head Corporate and Digital Communication, NASSCOM, to please come and take the stage. And I think everyone is comfortable. Please do your sound check before we start off with the panel discussion. Thank you so much for listening to each and every topic so patiently. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you to all the speakers here. Now, moving on to the next topic, that is rooted in relevance, business on local economics. And for this particular topic, we will be having a few dignitaries here on stage. As you can all see, it is already there on screen now. So requesting Priyanka Gathani, ma'am, Executive Director and Global CFO, Matrix Numero, to please come up on stage. And again, the same rule applies. You have to sit right in front of the picture. Next, we have Mr. Barnik Vardhan, Senior VP Strategy, Wow Momo. And Yes, we have his presence now, ladies and gentlemen. We have a very eminent personality in the toll aid industry who will be joining us for this particular panel discussion. We have seen his masterpiece. He has directed films like Meghe Dhaka Tara, Chadir Pahar, Cockpit, Amazon Obhijan, and lots more. So, ladies and gentlemen, with round of applause, please welcome film director Dr. Kamaleshwar Mukherjee. So, and Mr. Anindo Dash, VP Marketing of Infinity Group, to please come up here on stage, and he will be taking this session through forward. He has come here prepared with all the notes in his hand. So, sir, over to you for this particular session.
Thank you.
And what an amazing quote to end this panel discussion. I will request Mr. Nirupam Chaudhary, sir, Director of NASSCOM, to please come up on stage to felicitate all the speakers here. But before he comes, and we are here with a token of appreciation, I will request all the speakers to please come forward for a picture perfect frame. All the speakers, please, to come forward. Yes, and now I will request sir to felicitate all the speakers of this particular segment. So, different out-of-the-box conversation, as sir has pointed out, so there's AI, and now the implications of AI and technology into different local economics. So now we will capture one more panel discussion. This is basically the last panel discussion of the day. Post that we have one more interesting thing that I will not be revealing it right now. Those who have the chart knows. But the last panel discussion for the day is one more segment, that is Smart MSMEs, leveraging cloud and AI for MSME competitiveness. So we all know we need to boost up the small, medium and large industries that we have. So as of now, we already have the panel discussion topic over here. Let me take the honor of calling upon the speakers as well here on stage. Mr. Navchetan Prakash, sir, to please come up on stage. Associate Director, Engineering Tally Solutions, to please come up on stage. And again, to be seated right in front of the picture. Requesting Mr. Basant Rana, Founder, WorkMate Code to Cloud, to please join him here on stage. Requesting Mr. Arjun Mukund Kulkarni, President, Indian Leather Products Association, to please come up on stage. And Mr. Nirupam Chaudhary, Director of NASSCOM, to please come up again on stage for this particular last panel discussion of the day. So I request all of our four dignitaries to please come forward for a picture perfect frame. Alongside, I will request a token of appreciation to please come forward here on stage. And I will request Mr. Nirupam Chaudhary, sir, to felicitate all the speakers here. What a wonderful session. Last panel discussion that we just witnessed. But yes, due to interest of time, so due to interest of time, we will be moving on with the last, a very interesting one actually, right here. But as of now, let us just conclude the last panel discussion with a picture perfect frame. As you can see, sir, I will request you to please stay once. Sir, to please stay for the picture perfect frame, please. And just take in a couple of minutes so that we can just change the stage setup here. Thank you to all the speakers. Thank you, Mr. Nirupam Chaudhary, sir, for felicitating and moderating this entire panel discussion. So just a moment or two before we move on to the last. कहते हैं ना एकदम लास्ट के लिए बेस्ट रखा रहता है. So this is the moment, ladies and gentlemen, the best for the last. So till the time it is getting ready, just let me give you a glimpse. The person who will be coming here, this is not a panel discussion. This is not something that a person will come up and speak alone. It will give you a flavor. It will give you a magic of kind of a discussion. It's kind of a conversation. So two people right here, two very big names in the industry, the respective industries here, and they will be talking about something very unique. So the topic is, I think everyone should follow this rule book in their life, the Champions Playbook. Focus, consistency and growth. So this is the topic that we will be covering here. And ladies and gentlemen, this is the part that I think everyone will be engraved into the last session of this year. The first, let me just give a small snapshot, small brief. Okay, so as you can all see, we have a world champion over here, Mr. Saurabh Ghoshal sir, to please come up here on stage, and we will have a conversation here with Mr. Srikanth Srinivasan, Vice President and Head, Membership and Outreach, NASCOM. We will have an amazing conversation here with the topic being the wonderful note, that is the Champions Playbook, focus, consistency and growth. So now sir, I leave this entire fireside chat here with sir here. All brief till the time the felicitation ceremony is happening. He's the first Indian to reach the quarter finals at the World Squash Championship at Manchester. He's the first Indian ever to win towards the British Junior Open under 19 squash title. He bagged the gold twice in World Championship, Asian Games, Asian Championship, and once in South Asian Games. So, and the silver and bronze are much more in number, but one noticeable that the Egypt thing that you have said, the player from the Egypt, that he has bagged gold in that. So, ladies and gentlemen, it's Jode Hata. What an inspiration we have. Thank you so much. And with that note, I will request Mr. Srikanth Srinivasan sir to please stay back. Please come up on stage one more time, because we have a very special notation right now. We have a very special thing that we will be doing now. So we are absolutely honored to felicitate PDS Infotech Private Limited for completing 15th year of their NASCOM membership. So I will request Mr. Ranjan Goenka, founder and CEO of PDS Infotech Private Limited, to please come up here on stage and accept a small gratification from us. And what a wonderful, cherishable memory frame we are actually capturing here with everyone's presence. So, ladies and gentlemen, যার শেষ ভালো তার সব ভালো. And with that, I will now thank you, sir. And to end today's official conclave here, I will request Mr. Arnab Chakraborty, Chair, Eastern Regional Council, NASCOM, to please come forward on the stage and give a formal vote of thanks to each and everyone present here. ভালো থাকবেন, ভালো রাখবেন, সুস্থ থাকবেন, সুস্থ রাখবেন. Thank you everyone for coming down and making it a huge success. This was your Sutradhar Teesta signing off. Please enjoy the dinner, ladies and gentlemen. Again, thank you for your trust, your time. Thank you so much.